Maybe it's in the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate. Now I got a bellyache.
Alright, hi guys. So for this week's video, it's gonna be again cleaning my room video, but this time it's gonna be like very like deep clean. But I just did take all my things out of my closet, and my closet's like basically empty. I'm not gonna touch that because that just stays there, and I cleaned that and I took everything, all the bags and everything. So we're gonna see how this goes and do some like time lapses and stuff and like clean with me, I guess. I finished with all the clothes, kind of. I just have some clothes there that needs to be in the laundry, and then I can like separate it and put it in the places that need to be, stuff like that. And yeah, I need to finish cleaning the room, put things where they have to be. I hate this, it's so annoying. Yeah, so I'm almost done. Little update. I've been watching like Grey's Anatomy as I've been doing this, because if not, I wouldn't be doing this. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish cleaning things, organizing, and so that, yeah. Ooh, I almost dropped the phone. Okay.
You gave me the letter, I guess it was July. You said we'll be better, but I don't know why. I should be so lonely when I close my eyes, imagined you're mine.
Okay, so this is how the room looks. Clean, kind of, not too deep clean, but it'll do. It'll do for another, I don't know, week. So, it's organized, and like, look at this. I have space. I never had space here in this closet. But like that, we don't talk about that. This, we used to have, like right here, we used to have like bags on bags. So now it's like all gone. We moved it over there, somewhere in the living room. That's like blankets and stuff, just like old things. So I just put all like my duffel bags in there, and my old backpack that had just like some school stuff that like no need. And yeah, so it's just like some little duffel bags, stuff like that. And then yeah, and I have some like here, this is like, these two bags are just from shopping today, and then that's garbage, and then here's just some old uniforms. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, I don't know, cleaned with me as you're watching this. I don't know. So that was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. That, I don't know. I have a lot of laundry to do. A lot. And yeah. Sorry for my messy hair. Yeah, I didn't clean the bathroom yet, but I will do that. But it's just like, you know, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that bathroom. Yeah, that's really for the update. Okay, so please like, subscribe, comment, stuff like that. I don't know.